We are in sunny Spring, Texas today in the Houston metro area. We are doing an on-site installation with one of our elite installers, TriSMART Solar. We're proud to be able to work with our elite installation partners here at EG4 Electronics and provide them with on-site, in the field, real-world training and support. Today, we'll be installing a GridBOSS, our Microgrid Interconnection Device, as well as a FlexBOSS 21, our new state-of-the-art 21 kilowatt DC PV inverter. We also have two All-Weather WallMount Batteries rated at 14.3 kilowatt hours each.
Why EG4? A big one for me was the cost-benefit analysis. There's a lot of great batteries in the market, and some of them are extremely expensive. And looking at the features and the technology that was in EG4 and the costs compared to others that have those same features, that was a big one for me. Just being able to get the key things that I wanted without having to break the bank. The ease of use, the installation, the cost savings to me because of how easy it is to install for the crew. Those savings come right back to myself and ultimately the customers that TriSMART Solar. Each battery has somewhat different installation techniques and requirements, and each time we launch with a new battery manufacturer, oftentimes we're just kind of left out on our own to figure it out and have our crews just stumble their way through it. EG4 and their team has been a phenomenal partner in making sure their team is on site here. You see their team's here with us today, making sure that the install goes smoothly and that they're on site here, helping us in the event that our team has any questions or needs any help. We're not having to try to call people or fumble through it. So
EG4 Electronics is really releasing game-changing products that will provide homeowners like this true whole home backup solutions with our FlexBOSS and our GridBOSS.